Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most prestigious, luxurious, and powerful automotive brands in the world, Bugatti. When you hear the name Bugatti, what comes to mind? Speed, exclusivity, unmatched engineering, and of course, a price tag that only a few can afford. But Bugatti is more than just a car maker. It's a symbol of art meeting science, heritage meeting innovation, and performance meeting elegance. In this video, I'll take you on a journey through Bugatti's history, its legendary cars, and what makes it stand at the absolute top of the automotive food chain. Let's start with the roots. Bugatti was founded in 1909 by Ettore Bugatti, an Italian-born French automobile designer. From the very beginning, Bugatti was not just about making cars, it was about creating rolling works of art. The early models, like the Type 35, were not only successful in motorsports but also admired for their incredible beauty. The Type 35 is still considered one of the most successful racing cars in history, winning over 1,000 races in its era. That blend of performance and elegance became the DNA of Bugatti. Fast forward to the modern era. After some turbulent times in the mid-20th century, Bugatti was revived under Volkswagen Group in the late 1990s. That's when the modern legend was born, the Bugatti Veyron. When it was unveiled in 2005, it shocked the entire world. Why? Because no other production car at the time had achieved what the Veyron did. It had an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine producing 101 horsepower, a top speed over 250 mph, an acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in just about 2.5 seconds. It was not just a car. It was a statement that the impossible could be made possible. But Bugatti didn't stop there. They kept pushing boundaries. After the Veyron came the Chiron in 2016, the Chiron raised the bar again with 1,479 horsepower, a top speed electronically limited to 261 mph, and a driving experience that balanced raw speed with ultimate refinement. The Chiron wasn't just about breaking records. It was about redefining what a hypercar could be. One of the most jaw-dropping moments in Bugatti's modern history came in 2019, when that record cemented Bugatti as the undisputed king of speed. But here's the thing, Bugatti isn't only about numbers. Every Bugatti is handcrafted with obsessive attention to detail. The design, the materials, the aerodynamics, the luxury, it's all on a level that very few brands can match. When you step inside a Bugatti, you don't just see carbon fiber and leather. You see craftsmanship that feels more like haute couture than automotive manufacturing. Every stitch, every button, and every panel reflects perfection. Bugatti represents exclusivity as well, with production numbers often limited to just a few hundred units per model. Owning a Bugatti is a privilege reserved for the world's elite. It's not just about buying a car, it's about joining a club that very few will ever have access to.
Now that we've explored the legacy, speed records, and exclusivity of Bugatti, let's dive into what truly makes this brand stand apart: its philosophy, design approach, and where the company is heading in the future. First, let's talk about design. Bugatti cars are not just machines. They're masterpieces of art and engineering combined. The design team has one major goal: to create harmony between beauty and function. Every line, every curve, and every surface of a Bugatti is carefully sculpted, not only to look stunning, but also to serve an aerodynamic purpose. For example, the horseshoe grille at the front isn't just a design signature. It's an iconic element that dates back to Ettore Bugatti himself and continues to define the brand's visual identity. The flowing lines, the central spine running across the car, and the muscular stance all contribute to both aerodynamics and aesthetics. Inside, the story's the same. Bugatti interiors are a blend of modern technology and timeless craftsmanship. No plastic, no shortcuts. Everything you see and touch is crafted from the finest materials. Think of full-grain leathers, polished aluminum, carbon fiber, and even custom-made switchgear that feels like jewelry. Each interior can be personalized, making every Bugatti unique to its owner. This is what makes the experience of sitting inside a Bugatti just as special as driving one. But Bugatti doesn't just live in the past or present, it looks to the future. With the automotive industry transitioning toward electrification, many enthusiasts have wondered, what does the future hold for Bugatti? Recently, Bugatti entered a new chapter under Bugatti Rimac, a joint venture between Bugatti and the electric hypercar company Rimac Automobili. This partnership combines Bugatti's heritage and craftsmanship with Remax Groundbreakergeist. Monster, showcasing what Bugatti can achieve when performance is pushed to the absolute limit. Ultimately, Bugatti isn't just about cars, it's about legacy. It represents the pinnacle of what's possible when art and engineering collide. Owning a Bugatti means more than driving, it means becoming a part of history. A tradition that stretches back over a century and continues to inspire. The future of performance and luxury. So whether it's the roar of a W16 engine breaking speed barriers, the intricate craftsmanship that makes every Bugatti feel like a piece of art, or the exciting possibilities of an electrified future, Bugatti will always remain in a league of its own. It's not just about transportation, it's about passion, prestige, and pushing human achievement beyond imagination. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of Bugatti. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most legendary automotive brands, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow car enthusiasts, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, keep chasing passion, innovation, and excellence just like Bugatti does.